Hi everyone, in this video we want to find the value of x solution. I want you to note that if we have nth root b raised to power a can be written as b raised to power a over n. But in this our equation, this is square root. So this can be written as 4 raised to power x over 2 plus 4 raised to power x over 2 plus 4 raised to power x over 2 equal to 24. On the left hand side, let us factor out 4 raised to power x over 2. 4 raised to power x over 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Because if we multiply it back, we are going to get this equal to 24. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So 4 raised to power x over 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 24. Let us divide both sides by 3 over 3 over 3. So we are going to have 4 raised to power x over 2 equal to 24 divided by 3. We are going to have 8. Now 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3, and also 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 2. So let us substitute them into this equation. So we can say 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power x over 2 equal to 2 raised to power 3. So let us multiply 2 and x over 2 together. 2 multiplied by x over 2 will be equal to x. So this side can be written as 2 raised to power x equal to 2 raised to power 3. Since the base on both sides is the same, we can equate the power. So I can say x equal to 3. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.